This video is on desires, the real path to destiny. Till we have our desires trained very well, our destiny won't be great. So this is what I'm going to introduce to all of you through this video. As man desires, so is his destiny. As he desires, so are thoughts. As thoughts are, so are the actions. As actions are, so are fruits. So man's destiny is basically decided by his desires. And man has not been educated till now in any form of education to train his desires. No desire is good or bad really. Someone can have great desire for love and turn out to be the greatest and best like Meera, Radha, and someone can have great desire for knowledge and wisdom and may become like Shankaracharya, Isaac Newton and others. Someone may have great desire for karma and wealth and everything, could become an illustrious, wonderful person like Bill Gates. So someone may have great spirit of service and kindness and may become somebody like Abraham Lincoln, Florence Nightingale, as others. So we have to learn to educate our desires to reach the highest. We cannot force a person to desire really. That's the essence of astrology as well. We must understand that man cannot plant his desires. We can only educate mango to become better mango, and orange to become better orange, and apple to become apple orange. From apple seed you cannot create mangoes. From mango seed you cannot create oranges. That is what I feel astrology should be doing. Astrology as it is taught in the modern world, or rather practiced in the modern world, has become more of a charlatanism. Charlatan works in the hands of uneducated or selfish and greedy people. We want astrology as a medium of astrology to be used as ability to train our desires better and better. All knowledge and education should be to train that. To make a musician better musician, a thinker better thinker, a lover better lover, and we should of course teach equality of all things. We cannot have this is better, this is better. What gives you joy and happiness and that ability to grow within yourself? A great Mozart or a great Newton or great Vivekanand, all are tremendous in their own fields. So we should not insist that you be like this or like that. Just be brilliant in a field. That is what our essence of astrology is going to be. How to educate our desires very, very well. And that is what should be the essence of astrology. My astrology concept is that we should educate our minds to be better. At the same time, knowledge is power, so we should empower our personalities. And astrology is a medium to train, to rather reach a soul ourselves. That's what I feel should be.